In the vast expanse of the cosmos, we find galaxies, stars, and planets. These celestial bodies, each unique and magnificent, are scattered across the universe, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of light and energy. These celestial objects are bound by gravity, forming intricate systems that dance in a delicate balance. The gravitational pull keeps planets in orbit, stars in clusters, and galaxies in their majestic spirals. Similarly, in our digital age, we encounter a universe of data. This data universe is vast and ever-expanding, much like the cosmos itself. Every click, every transaction, every interaction contributes to this growing digital expanse. It surrounds us, constantly expanding and full of potential. Data flows through our cities, our homes, and our devices, creating an invisible network that connects us all. This data holds immense potential, waiting to be harnessed and understood. This data, like the cosmos, needs structure and organization to be understood and utilized effectively. Without proper organization, the vast amounts of data can become overwhelming and chaotic, much like an uncharted galaxy. That's where data management comes in. Data management provides the necessary tools and frameworks to collect, store, and analyze this ever-growing digital universe. It transforms raw data into valuable insights and actionable information. It provides the framework to collect, store, and analyze this ever-growing digital universe. With effective data management, we can make sense of the vast amounts of information, uncovering patterns and trends that were previously hidden. Just as telescopes help us explore the cosmos, data management tools empower us to navigate and comprehend the vast sea of information at our fingertips. These tools allow us to delve deep into the data, uncovering insights and making informed decisions. Without proper management, data becomes chaotic. It can quickly turn into a disorganized mess, making it difficult to find and use the information we need. It's like having a library with billions of books, but no organizational system. Imagine walking into such a library, trying to find a specific book without any catalog or order. Imagine trying to find a specific piece of information in that chaos. It would be a daunting and nearly impossible task, leading to frustration and inefficiency. It would be nearly impossible. The lack of organization would hinder our ability to extract meaningful insights and make informed decisions. That's why we need effective data management strategies to make sense of the digital universe and unlock its hidden wonders. With the right strategies, we can transform chaos into clarity, unlocking the true potential of our data and driving innovation and progress. Imagine a vast lake, its depths teeming with diverse aquatic life. Fish of all shapes and sizes swim freely, plants sway gently with the currents, and the ecosystem thrives in perfect harmony. Now picture this lake as a repository for data, holding information from countless sources in its digital depths. Just as the lake supports a variety of life forms, this digital lake supports a multitude of data types. This, in essence, is a data lake, a vast centralized storage system designed to hold massive volumes of raw data, much like the lake holds water. It's a centralized storage system designed to hold massive volumes of raw data. These data lakes are housed in large data centers or cloud storage facilities equipped with rows upon rows of servers. This data can come from anywhere: social media feeds, sensor readings, financial transactions, you name it. Every digital interaction, every sensor reading, every transaction contributes to the ever-growing reservoir of information. The beauty of a data lake lies in its ability to store data in its native format. Whether it's structured, semi-structured, or unstructured, the data flows into the lake without needing to be altered. This means no need for pre-processing or transformation. The data is captured in its raw, unprocessed form, preserving its original state. It's like capturing the raw beauty of nature before refining it. Just as a photographer captures the untouched splendor of a landscape, a data lake captures the unaltered essence of data. Think of it like this. You have a giant container where you can put all your stuff, photos, documents, videos, without having to organize them first. This container holds everything just as it is, waiting for you to decide what to do with it later. You can decide how to organize and use them later. This flexibility allows you to focus on collecting data first, without the pressure of immediate organization. This store now, organize later approach offers immense flexibility and scalability. As your data needs grow, the data lake can expand to accommodate more information, adapting to your requirements. It allows organizations to collect and store data without worrying about its immediate use case, making it an invaluable asset in today's data-driven world. Companies can later analyze this data to uncover insights, drive decisions, and innovate, leveraging the full potential of their data reservoirs. Data pours into the data lake from various sources, like rivers feeding into a vast reservoir. These sources can be anything from social media feeds, transaction records, sensor data, to logs from various applications. Just as rivers bring different types of water, these sources bring diverse types of data. This data, in its raw and unprocessed form, is stored within the lake. It remains untouched, preserving its original state. This raw data can be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured, and it all coexists in the same space, waiting to be processed. Think of it as collecting rainwater. You don't filter it immediately, you collect it first. Similarly, in a data lake, we gather all the data before any processing or analysis. This allows for flexibility, as you can decide later how to use the data. Specialized tools and technologies act as boats and submarines, allowing us to explore and analyze the lake's depths. These tools can navigate through the vast amounts of data, diving deep to uncover valuable information that lies beneath the surface. These tools help us fish out insights from the data, revealing hidden patterns and trends. Just as a fisherman uses a net to catch fish, scientists use algorithms and queries to extract meaningful insights. Imagine you're a researcher studying a particular species of fish in our data lake. You would need to know where to look and what tools to use to find the specific data you need. You would use specialized tools to locate and analyze data related to that species. These tools help you filter through the vast amounts of data to find exactly what you're looking for. Similarly, data scientists use tools like Hadoop and Spark to query and process the data within the data lake. These powerful tools can handle large volumes of data, making it easier to perform complex analyses and derive insights. These tools help them extract valuable insights, enabling businesses to make informed decisions and gain a competitive edge. By understanding the data, businesses can identify trends, predict future outcomes, and make strategic decisions that drive success. Big data and AI are like powerful telescopes, allowing us to peer deeper into the universe of information. But these telescopes need fuel, and that fuel is data. Data lakes serve as vast reservoirs of this fuel, providing the raw material for big data analytics and AI algorithms. The more data we feed these systems, the more accurate and insightful their output becomes. Think of it like training a stargazer. The more constellations and celestial events they observe, the better they become at understanding the cosmos. Similarly, AI algorithms learn and improve by analyzing vast data sets. Data lakes provide the ideal training ground for these algorithms, enabling them to recognize patterns, make predictions, and drive innovation across various industries.